A tornado warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central Kiowa County. A tornado emergency for Greensburg. At 9:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado. This tornado was located 5 miles south of Greensburg, moving north at 20 miles per hour. A violent tornado was on the direct path for portions of Greensburg, especially the eastern portions of town. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation for Greensburg. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday morning for southwestern Kansas.